Imagine uncovering a hidden masterpiece buried beneath layers of paint, only to discover it tells a story of scandal, privilege, and a life as vibrant as the pigments used to capture it. That's exactly what happened when art conservator Ellen Baxter of the Carnegie Museum of Art peeled back the centuries to reveal the true subject of a long-forgotten portrait. But here's where it gets controversial. The painting, initially presented as Eleanor of Toledo, a revered Renaissance figure, was actually a depiction of her daughter, Isabella de Medici, a free-spirited princess whose downfall mirrored the very opulence she craved. And this is the part most people miss. The 19th-century overpainting that disguised Isabella's bold features wasn't just an artistic misstep. It was a deliberate attempt to sanitize her reputation. Ellen Baxter, a rare blend of scientific precision and artistic intuition, approached the restoration like an archaeologist uncovering a buried relic. With a background in art history, chemistry, and physics, she doesn't see paintings as static objects but as layered, three-dimensional compositions. When she first laid eyes on the portrait, then misattributed to Bronzino's workshop, she sensed something was off. The face was too soft, too Victorian, as if it had been smoothed into a decorative trinket. Her hunch proved correct. An X-ray revealed hidden layers beneath the 19th-century alterations, and a quick Google search led her to Francis Leadham, a Victorian-era restorer who'd transferred the painting from wood panel to canvas. The real revelation came when former curator Louise Lippincott cross-referenced the painting with a Medici-commissioned copy in Vienna. The matching dress and hairstyle confirmed the subject was Isabella, Eleanor of Toledo's daughter, a woman as infamous as she was beloved. Cosimo I, her father, had doted on her, granting her unprecedented freedom for a noblewoman of the 16th century. She hosted extravagant parties, accumulated debts, and allegedly had a scandalous affair with her husband's cousin. Yet when her father died in 1574, the tide turned. Her brother Francesco, now Grand Duke, refused to tolerate her excesses. By 1576, Isabella was dead. The official story claimed she died of natural causes while washing her hair. But whispers of foul play, possibly even murder by her husband, circulated for centuries. And this is the part that sparks debate. The urn Isabella holds in the painting, a symbol often linked to Mary Magdalene's repentance, may have been added at her request. Was this a final act of self-redemption, or a desperate attempt to reshape her legacy? As Lippincott put it, this is literally the bad girl seeing the light. Yet Baxter, ever the conservator, resisted the urge to embellish. "I'm not the artist," she insists. "My job is to repair, not to rewrite." But here's the question we want you to wrestle with. Should art conservators reveal a subject's unvarnished truth, even if it challenges historical narratives? Or do they have a duty to preserve the version of history that's already been accepted? Share your thoughts, because the past, like a painting, is rarely a single layer of truth.